Fully electric, fast, lightweight, portable recycled materials. Meet Tom, the world's first foldable electric scooter made out of natural materials. Our aim is to simplify your daily commute by creating the first fully electric scooter, which can easily be transported by metro bus or car at less than 20 kilograms. Tom is the lightest scooter in its league, and with its unique shape, it can be transported like a trolley and then turns into a bike within seconds. Tom is fully street legal, and without the limitations that the bikes and scooters have, you will be able to crush traffic. Tom is 100% zero emissions free, reaches a top speed of 27 miles per hour, and there's an autonomy of 31 miles on a single charge. Tom may look small, but is not afraid to take on challenges. Its suspensions allow it to glide easily over rugged terrain. The engine can handle steep hills. Its lights make sure you're always visible, and its hydraulic brake discs allow you to hold to a stop in complete safety. Tom is also fully connected through the app, where you'll be able to check where the scooter is with GPS, receive an alert if anyone touches it, check the battery level, check your mobility log, and even get assistance or spare parts. The best thing about Tom is its reduced size and lightweight construction that allows you to take it wherever you need, can easily take it home or in the office. And with the plug-and-play system, you just need a normal socket to recharge it. Tom can even turn into a power bank, recharge your devices. Tom is customizable. In fact, its bamboo body comes in various colors and finishes to match your style. We aim to create a bike that has minimal environmental impact, not only during use, but also in production. And we have cut down access material to the minimum. Tom is 100% made in Italy and is composed of natural materials. The frame is in aluminum. The body is made from bamboo, and plastic parts have been cut down to less than 10%. We have put all our design experience into town, and we have assembled it with the best possible parts to guarantee a premium ride. Tom has already been road approved and tested in all its parts. We have partnered with important companies such as Renova, leader in the production of batteries, and Polytechnics of Torino, world-renowned for its innovative solutions. But now we need your help to put them into production and bring our dream to life twice the right one.